This 2019 Jayco Jay Feather 27RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Alachua, Florida, 32615 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gainesville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.